In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and set up keyframes in Adobe After Effects. Now, creating keyframes is a useful technique for creating things like animations, and we can do this really easily just by clicking on New Composition, and then just going ahead and creating a new project. Then what you'll need to do is drag some video footage into the timeline like so, and once you have your video footage here, then we can begin making some keyframes. So down in this bottom panel here, you'll be able to see all of your different layers, all of your different videos, images, things like that. So all you need to do is click on the drop down arrow next to your piece of media and then decide whether you're creating a keyframe for your video or for your audio. In this tutorial, we're going to be creating keyframes for our video. So I'm going to click on the drop down arrow next to transform. And now we have these different options. So we have position, scale, rotation, and also opacity. Now, depending on the type of animation effect you're creating, depends on the keyframe you want to add here. So if you just want to move an image, for example, then you can click on this stopwatch next to position, and that's going to go ahead and create your first keyframe. Now, what you can do is move this playhead a few seconds later in the video like this. And then if I go in and now reposition this video clip, you can see it automatically generates this second keyframe. So if I just continue to do this throughout my video, this is what's going to give us this animation effect. So I'm just going to keep moving the playhead and also keep moving the position while it automatically creates these keyframes. And now if I play this video back, you'll be able to see we've now got this animation effect. You can also do the same for scale and rotation if you want to make things bigger or smaller. You can also rotate different objects on the screen as well. And once you've created your keyframes, a good idea is just to select all of them like this, right click on one of the keyframes, click on Keyframe Assistant, and now in order to make this transition smoother, we can select Easy Ease In or also Easy Ease Out. So I'm just going to use the In effect like this. And what this is going to do is just make the transition look much smoother. And if you want to delete any of your keyframes, then you can simply select it like so, and then just press the backspace on your keyboard, and it's going to go ahead and delete it. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.